Malamang long chain di alner ke tiang me en wala goro baya ladwor ke tung nora min goro ba lari en wala ke min goro bang yini ner inde na ne rodian ke tung nas cho PowerPoint slide cho ya la but goro ba matot ba long lari ma. So I just want to say something before I post the video on how to greet in Nuer. I have categorized greeting in Nuer into six. It might not be the ideal way, but it will actually help you when you're greeting someone in Nuer. So I have categorized them into six. So the first one is what I call the general greetings. So in Nuer, there's also general greeting as there is also in English. So the general greeting I mean here is a kind of greeting that doesn't categorize. It doesn't fall under any categories like let's say what time of the day, say how you greet in the morning, in the afternoon, and also in the evening. So I'm just going to give you a general overview of how you can greet regardless of what time of the day or regardless of who you are greeting, because greeting Nuer actually have is so specific that it's actually separate greeting during the days as something separate, and also greeting your age mate. And actually, greeting and age mate has been categorized into four different kinds. A man or a boy greeting another boy, or a man greeting another man, or a boy greeting another a girl, or a man greeting another woman. So the same thing and vice versa as well. Or it could be mandong or a grandma greeting another grandma or greeting a grandpa. So those kind of greetings are different in Nuer. And they're also how you can say goodbye. Saying goodbye is in Nuer also different kind of link with greetings of of time of the day, different time of the day. Let's say when you're greeting in the morning, when you're greeting in the afternoon, and when you're greeting someone in the evening. Also, there's a way you can greet when you greet someone in the afternoon. You know how you can say goodbye in the afternoon, you say goodbye in the evening, goodbye in the morning. So it's going to be fun, I can say that. But I won't take you through all the slides today or how through all the greetings in one video, because that would actually be really long. So here I'm just going to help you with the first one. So maybe the live video will help you, but I think the one with the PowerPoint might be like the ideal one where you can actually see how it is written. So first, how do you greet generally in Nuer? Greeting in Nuer is so simple. Is Male. So Male in Nuer is hello in English. Male, hello. So Male is general. You can say anybody can say Male to anybody. So this is why I call it general. And you can actually say in any time of the day. You can say in the morning. In the morning, you can say Male. In the afternoon, you can say Male. In the evening, you can say Male. So Male, you can say any time of the day. So how do you respond to someone that say Male? Male is Male Migwa. Some people will say Male Midi is the same thing. Male Migwa, Male Midi. It's just okay. The literal translation is okay. English will just say hello to you, but in Nuer, Nuer do not say hello to you. They say a good peace to you, Male Miga. Also, sometimes they say a big piece to you, a big piece to you. It doesn't make sense in English, but that's the kind of sense it makes. So these are the way you can respond to Nuer. So I hope the slideshow will help you how to greet Inuit. I just want to give you the heads up. So if you can read my word, if you can't listen to me, I think you can read it. So I think that will be it for today. And thank to all of you. And don't forget to subscribe or share it with your friend who would like to learn more. This is what I'm doing here. I am just here to help. I hope I can help you guys, all of you in the United States, all of you in Australia, Canada, or those of you who are not at home. I know whoever, and I actually encourage you guys to try, talk to your mom in Nuer, talk to your father in Nuer, or you can actually visit our homeland. Go home. You can go to Ethiopia, you can go to South Sudan, or you can actually go to Kenya and Uganda in the camps. You can see, interact with people, talk to them, and that's the best way you can learn your language, Nuer. But I'll try my level best here to give you the basic you need. But don't forget, there's a book, and it is called Teach Yourself Nuer. You can order it. I think I might need to share a link, or maybe write the contacts, maybe somewhere, or you just also contact me, and I can give the book to you. It's only just going to cost you something like $15 to $25. So that would be it for today. Thank you.